In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to CC in Gmail, sharing some handy tips and tricks along the way. CC, or carbon copy, is a fantastic tool for keeping people informed without them being the primary recipient of an email. Whether you're sending an email in a business context or managing personal communications, this feature can be incredibly useful. So let's dive into Gmail and explore how to do this efficiently. Let's start by opening Gmail. Once you're in your inbox, head over to the Compose button. It's located on the left-hand side of the screen, usually adorned with a nice shade of red or blue, making it quite easy to spot. Clicking this will open a new email window where you'll draft your message. This window is foundational for sending any email, and it's designed to make drafting a message straightforward and seamless. Now that you've got your new message window open, it's time to add your recipients. In the To field, you'll type the email addresses of your primary recipients, separating each address with a comma. These are the folks who are the main target of your communication, whether it's colleagues, friends, or family. Remember, the To field is for those who need to act based on the email's content or who are directly involved in the conversation. Next, let's introduce the CC field, which stands for carbon copy, to bring others into the loop. To do this, locate the CC button, which you'll find on the right side of the To field within the email window. A simple click on CC will reveal a new field ready for you to type in the email addresses of anyone you'd like to include. Those you put in the CC field will receive a copy of the email, but they aren't expected to reply or take specific action. So now you'll type the email address of each person you want in the CC line. This is perfect for when you want to keep someone informed without obligating them to reply. It's great for transparency and ensuring everyone's on the same page. As you type, Gmail might suggest contacts based on your previous emails or saved contacts, which can save you some time if the addresses are already in your Gmail contacts list. And voila, you've now learned how to effectively use the CC function in Gmail. Remember, it's all about communication efficiency and keeping your email interactions organized. Whether it's for professional correspondence or managing personal messages, understanding how to properly use CC can improve your email game significantly. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on using Gmail effectively. Don't hesitate to experiment with these features to see how they can assist you in staying efficient with your email management. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.